feel like this video is a mess and it hasn't even begun yet. Hey friends! So immediately I'm sure you're like, where are you? I'm still in my apartment, but my life is a mess right now, you guys. I sold my ring light, which I'm really happy about. I've mentioned before, I hated my ring light. I'm just not a fan of them in general. I feel like the colors were too blue that came out of it. I didn't like that you could see the ring of light in my eyes and in all the products, so I just wasn't really like loving it, so I sold it, which let me highly recommend OfferUp. We've sold 2 things on it and it's been like an incredible experience, meaning that I just haven't gotten murdered yet from selling to people off the internet. So I am down a ring light, but I also a while ago broke one of the light bulbs for my umbrella lights. Just haven't replaced it, so that is why we are sitting right here. I kind of like maneuvered this little, it's not even that cute. I was gonna say this cute little background, but it's not even cute. But if you've been watching like my lifestyle videos, like my Target hauls, and I did like a day in my life where I talked about it, but we have this like cutie new little furniture piece, this cutie chair that I'm sitting in that is in that corner, but I switched it around to try and face the natural light of the window, but I still feel like we could adjust a little. That looks ridiculous, but it is what it is. So yeah, we have my May favorite today. I cannot believe that it's June. That is nuts. Also, we're right by the window, which I feel like makes things even louder, and somebody is drilling a hole in something somewhere. I can't pinpoint where it is, but it's loud. Oh, I found it. It's literally right there. Great. Thank you. But so I just am here to share my May favorites. I really, truly don't have a lot. I have 6 products. One of them I've already talked about before, but yeah, I don't know. I had a lot of like makeup and beauty favorites last month, which I can link that video up in the corner. Still using mostly all of those products, but I did want to share what I am loving from this month. And if you haven't seen it, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I am doing my Friday faves over on Instagram, and it's a mixture of everything: beauty, lifestyle, TV shows, music, a lot of like home stuff. I even have had some fashion faves in there. So it's kind of like a mix of things I've been loving throughout the week because I love filming favorites videos. So I kind of wanted to do like more of that. And also I just find myself so excited to tell you guys about things, but like I'm waiting till the end of the month for my favorites videos. So I wanted to implement like a Friday faves where I could share every week. And just plus I love when other people do that kind of thing on their Instagram stories where I can swipe up and shop what they're loving. So that is what I do as well now. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that. I do it every Friday. Well, it's been 3 Fridays so far, but 3 Fridays strong. But yeah, let's just kind of go ahead and get into it. I don't have any nail polish this month. I've just been trying old favorites. Right now I have on Stop It, I'm Blushing, which is, I think I might redo my, I know I say like I'm overdoing nail polish videos, but I think I might redo my top 20 nail polishes of all time because this would be in it. I love this polish so much. I have it on my toes as well. It's just like the perfect like blush pink shade, and it's just really nice and neutral for every day. I love it. But yeah, without nail polish, we'll just dive into makeup. Some of these things I've shared on Friday faves and some of them I haven't, but regardless, like I can only share so much about a product in an Instagram post, so these videos will dive deeper into what I'm loving, so they'll always be the same. So we have 2 makeup favorites, an oldie and a newie. We'll start with the new and exciting product. I mentioned this in a Friday fave. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Bronze It, and I have the, I think the light, yeah, light, 01 light. First off, this is huge, so you're really getting a good bang for your buck, and I am loving this bronzer. I'm wearing it today, and what I like about it is, number one, I think it's a formula dupe, like not an exact color dupe, but a formula dupe for my favorite, which you guys know, the Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze, which is like probably triple the price. Actually, I don't even know. I think this was like 10, maybe 11, maybe 12 bucks. I got mine at Walmart. It just has the lightest bit of shimmer in there, which I really like, but also I think like is an overspray maybe because, or no, maybe not. I don't know. I'm gonna have to keep using it and let you know. But I have just been so into the L'Oreal makeup products lately. It's on my face, but there's a swatch. I'm still loving the L'Oreal Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing it every day since I got it pretty much. I'm loving the Shake and Glow setting spray is beautiful, so I'm kind of wanting to try more of that line. It's kind of all the same line that has like the rose gold and the pink packaging. I'm trying the new L'Oreal concealer, which I didn't put in today's video because I to be honest, I haven't been wearing a ton of under eye concealer, which I talked about and you will have seen in my morning routine, which I think is up already. I'll link it up in the corner. I just am enjoying the way my face looks better. I just kicked the tripod. Sorry if the camera shook. Not used to being in such close quarters. Ow! God, what was I saying? Oh, I've just been loving my makeup more without caking on the under eye product. So I will just use foundation and then maybe like a little bit of a brightening setting powder, but no heavy under eye concealer. But on days when I do want to wear under eye concealer, I have been testing out the new L'Oreal under eye concealer, which is pretty freaking good. I just want to test it out a little bit more before I like give it my stamp of approval or anything. But this I can give my stamp of approval because I think it's beautiful. It's a little bit of a more cool toned bronzer, but not too cool to make me look muddy. I think it's really nice for spring. It was kind of a nice transition bronzer before I get some more color. It has shimmer in it, but I sometimes, especially in the spring, like a bronzer with shimmer in it. Nothing crazy, but it just brings a little bit more life to your face, especially when you're out in the sun. It just glimmers a little bit, and I think it's so pretty. So yeah, I think this is a great drugstore bronzer. I've been using it a ton. And then my other makeup favorite, I mentioned this last month, so it's not that exciting, but it's the Clarins Ombre Sparkle Shadow, and I have the shade 102 Peach Girl. This is the best, and I'm mentioning it again because I have responded to so many DMs, comments, messages, whatever, asking what eyeshadow I'm wearing, and it's always this for the last month and a half. So it is just beautiful. So here is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It's nice and like super slim. I won't talk about this long because I've talked about it before, but I love it with Fix Plus. I love using it without Fix Plus. I love using it with a brush. I love using it with my fingers. Like, it's just the best shadow, and I love the color. That's my kind of like every day I want to slap that on my lids kind of color. I need to try really hard not to get makeup on this pink chair because I would be very sad, and so would my husband. Let's wipe that off of my leg then just to make sure. Oh wow, that made a mess. But yes, it does have a little bit of fallout, but I'd say minimal fallout, and I just am so enjoying wearing it, and I'm gonna need some more shades. How have I taken up 10 minutes with just 2 products? That's nuts. Next, a skincare fave, which I also mentioned in a Friday favorites. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I have been also getting a lot of comments one particular week, because I was really using this like every day that week, asking why or how my skin looked so dewy, and I think that this was a huge part in that. This is not enough of a moisturizer for me alone. I did layer, I kind of use this like a serum. I put it underneath my moisturizer day or night, but it's really, really nice. I love the packaging. It's just like nice designed glass and the light pink. The product itself is amazing. Smells like watermelon, which I always love. It's nice and refreshing. And it's kind of more like a gel consistency, so it's perfect as like a serum under your moisturizer. I'm sure for some people this would be enough as a moisturizer, but for me, I'm just looking for more moisture. And I usually wear this in the morning underneath my SPF Simple moisturizer. How many times can I say moisturizer? I just really like the way makeup wears on top of this product. So I've been using it mostly in the mornings, and it's just glorious. This is the small size, which is still expensive. This small size is 20 bucks, but I've been using it a ton, and I don't know if you can see there, I've only used it up to there so far, and I only use about 2 pumps. Seems to be the magic pump number for that. But yeah, I'm totally loving this. So I will keep you updated as I keep using it, but I think it is really nice for giving me a nice like dewy glow that doesn't look greasy under makeup. The categories are crazy today. I have makeup, skincare, body care, dental care, and then an essential oil. That's me, a little bit of everything. I've been talking about this a lot lately. This is the Alba Botanica Very Emollient Bath and Shower Gel in Midnight Tuberose. I am obsessed with this product. As you all know, if you watch my videos, I'm trying a bunch of more natural alternatives to shower gel, and I think this has been my favorite so far, even over the Young Living one. You know, I know certain apps and certain people were like, well, that's not all natural, but like, this is terrible, but kind of the way I gauge it is if they sell it at Sprouts, that means it's good for me. Their cosmetics products and beauty products they sell there are all really like natural organic brands, and they sell this there, so I'm like, hey, good enough for Sprouts, good enough for me. But more so, my skin on my body is loving this. I was driving the other day, so I had like my hand up on the steering wheel, and I don't know why, but I just was like rubbing my arm. That makes me sound so weird. I don't know, this is just the small details. I don't remember the bigger picture. But I like rubbed my arm, and I thought, my arm is so soft, and I didn't even put on lotion today. And then it occurred to me that I have been using this, and I just think it's so moisturizing. And this is for dry skin, I think it says. For normal to dry skin. It smells incredible. I love that it has a pump. I got mine on Amazon, so I will link it down below as well from Amazon. And they have a bunch of different scents, but I love tuberose. And I'm just like obsessed at loving using this product. Whenever I get in the shower, I'm like, yes, I get to use it again. So yeah, anything that smells good, is moisturizing, isn't irritating my skin, which it's not, which is always, I don't know, sometimes more natural products can irritate my skin, which is so annoying, but I seem to have found a winner in this one and I'm pumped about it. So just wanted to share that. My dental fave, which is being washed out, is this Trader Joe's mouthwash. It has tea tree oil and cool mint. It freshens breath, helps brighten teeth, and it's sugar-free and alcohol-free. And so I wanted, why is this like greasy? We'll never know. I like mouthwashes without alcohol in them just because alcohol like dries out my mouth, you know? I love that this is a more natural version of a mouthwash. I haven't tried the Young Living like dental hygiene products yet. I'm sure I will at some point, but this is so cheap and available at Trader Joe's and I love it. I feel like it took a little bit of getting used to because it does have a more like natural, it's not as sweet as like Listerine or whatever, which I used to love Listerine, man. Loved it. I gotta be careful with mouthwash though because I have like sensitive gums and I've heard so many things from different dentists and I don't know. But I just have been using mouthwash to gargle and I'm loving this one. It's a really random favorite, but I wanted to mention it. Tastes pretty good. I like that there's tea tree oil in there. It's a combination of spearmint, wintergreen, and tea tree oils, which, yes, work to aid in good oral hygiene while the zinc citrate helps brighten your teeth. So I don't know, I can't really comment on if it's brightened my teeth yet. I don't know. But I'm just enjoying using it every night or morning. I don't know when I use it. Maybe both. So yeah, loving that. And then last but not least, I have an essential oil favorite. This is the Young Living Deep Relief Roll-On. This is kind of like a miracle worker and we're gonna use it right now. So my friend Jillian has been telling me to get this 4 months and like I'm still working on like building up my collection of things. Young Living has so many things I want to try and I could go ape shit each month on essential rewards, but I don't because I'm trying to not spend all my money. Let's just roll this in. It's gonna mess up my makeup, but it's worth it. But so Jillian has been telling me to get this for months and I believed her, but I just hadn't gotten around to it. But I've mentioned before, I'm building up my roll-on collection for my purse because I find them so, obviously so easy to travel with and just have on me at all times. I keep discovering things from Young Living that I can't leave the house without, which is making my purse heavier, but my body happier, so it's fine. But so I think they have 6 roll-ons. I have 3 of them now. I still need 3 more. I need the Tranquil one, which is good for sleep. The Thieves one, which I really, really want for immune support to roll on the bottoms of my feet. And then also Breathe Again, which is another kind of like deep breath, kind of like a raven type of oil that I would put on my chest. But this Deep Relief is supposed to kind of relieve muscle tension or muscle aches and pains. I might get in trouble with compliance right now, but I'll try to not. When you are a Young Living distributor, they kind of like watch you like a hawk to see what you say about it because a lot of people complain about the claims made because it's not FDA approved. I don't know, it's this whole thing, which I find so annoying because there are so many things that I want to tell you that essential oils has done for me, but I'm not allowed to. So I'm just trying to like sneakily word this. Just sometimes while I sleep, I used to be a grinder. I don't really grind anymore, but I will clench. So I wake up with a tension headache and it's so annoying to start your day with a tension headache. And the other day I woke up and my jaw was hurting me so bad. I have like a whole bunch of jaw issues. I should go to a jaw doctor, but I don't want to. I refuse to get jaw surgery. But so I deal with a lot of jaw pain and I try to combat it the best I can by just like not eating that isn't what I meant. Not eating like big like foods that makes me open my mouth a lot. I do a lot of heat. I do a lot of jade rolling, which is not the purpose of the jade roller, but the facial massage on my jaw is life-changing. And this added into that little routine is amazing. The cooling effect that this gives, let me read to you what's in it. This has peppermint, lemon, balsam, clove, coconut oil, which I believe that's like the fractionated coconut oil to make it a carrier oil so it's safe to roll on your skin. I've had pretty good luck with putting essential oils directly on my skin without any burning. Some of them will, and it's always like up to each person as to what burns their skin. Like I can put frankincense oil right on my skin. A lot of you guys will comment and be like, oh my gosh, I cannot do that, it burns. So it's kind of just like up to each person. But the roll-ons have, to my knowledge, carrier oil in them, so it's never a problem. It's diluted, you can roll it wherever you want. I didn't finish reading, I got distracted. Wintergreen, which I love, Heliochrysum, and Vetiver. So I like to use this on my jaw, on my temples, and on the back of my neck. You guys, it's so nice on the, like, I do it on the sides of my neck too and on the back of my neck. When it's summer and I'm at Disneyland or something, which actually that's not true, I'm gonna be blocked all of summer. when I'm hot at some point in the summer, this is gonna feel so good to just put down the back of my neck and spine and just like, it's so cooling. It's just crazy, and it's been doing crazy things for me that I can't really say, and I'm excited to try it more and more because I just got it this month. But yeah, I am loving Deep Relief and just loving the Young Living life in general, in which, if you are curious, I do have an essential oils Instagram page. It's at Essentially Amy. I think my next video after this video will be my starter kit video, which I'm trying to like spread out my oils content because I know people get annoyed with it, and I'm really sorry if you're not into oils, but I've been promising the starter kit video for a really long time and I haven't filmed and edited. I just need to put it up. But yeah, if you have any questions about Young Living products, about the whole process of it, I know it can be a little intimidated and confusing to sign up, but also just know there are no strings attached. You can leave at any time. It just, you have to create like an account to buy things. So yeah, if you need any help, let me know. If you want to message about it, do so. If not, I'll have like the link to buy this down below. But yeah, I am loving this, and it already feels so good on my jaw and like this whole area. So yeah. I will also link my jade roller that I love down below as well, because I got this off Amazon. I don't think all jade rollers are alike, and this one is a great one. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for like the half-ass background and video with like natural crappy light, because it's not even that good of natural light. I do love filming in natural light, but I don't think this is it. But yeah, I love you guys. Next time, hopefully I'm sitting down, I will have both of my lights and we can get back to business as usual. But thanks for putting up with this. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll have everything I talked about listed down below. Let me know some of your favorites of the month. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for Friday faves. And I think I've wrapped it all up. So yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you very soon in a new video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.